Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to talk about ethics. What it means, its nature, and its scope. So let's dive in!
So, what is ethics? Ethics is the branch of philosophy that deals with questions about what is right and wrong, good and bad. It's like a guide that helps us decide how to act in different situations. For example, the nature of ethics is all about the moral principles. These principles are like rules that tells us how to act and behave. For example, telling the truth, being fair, helping and respecting others are all part of ethical behavior. Like this. Now let's talk about the scope of ethics. This means the different areas where ethics applies. Ethics isn't just for big decisions. It affects our everyday actions like how we treat friends, families, and even strangers. It also applies to bigger issues like business practices, laws, and even how we treat the environment. Understanding ethics helps us make better choices and build a more just and fair society. It guides us to do what's right, not just for ourselves, but for everyone around us.
ไม่ได้มีชื่อเสียงที่มากขึ้น เพราะสิ่งที่เขาได้ คือได้แค่ความรู้สึก ได้เห็นความสุข
So, that's the quick look of the meaning, nature, and scope of the ethics. So, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you understand the basics of ethics. Bye-bye!